It's recording.
Cool.
Just randomly done that.
I wish I didn't. I could do more than one now.
Shut.
Actually, stand back.
Ashley, stand back.
This is gonna fail. And if it does, I'm not putting it on.
Be careful because it's going to go very high.
It's already getting busy.
We did. Failed. We should have shaken it up, right, guys? Move.
Oh, that's lush. That is just lush.
You guys should really taste some.
So,
Oh.
Ashley, careful. You're going to get it all over
Right.
you. We need to
Guys,
save some of them in.
Get back.
This is kind of a fail.
Yummy!
Yeah.
Oh dear, guys.
Ew!
Oh, that's
But
lush.
that didn't happen in the video.
Look!
Look! Lol, that's pretty funny.
Making a river.
Ashley, move.
Oh, let's put this in.
Ashley.
Oh, Ashley!
Stop it. Oh, why did young people have to be so gross?
It's getting higher.
Put as much as
These
you
don't
can.
fit in.
Yes, they do. I put some in
No.
already. Yeah, but they
You
stay
need
at
to-
the top.
you
You need to put them in and shut it straight away.
Won't fit in.
Yeah, look, it's like a bum.
Bum cheeks. Bum cheeks.
Put it in then.
It's not. It's not.
See, I told you it's too big.
Yeah,
Great.
Guys, move. Move.
Wait, let me put this back
No,
on.
don't. How funny.
Again. Are all the blue ones in there?
No.
What failed? Seriously.
there isn't enough coating.
What are they doing, me?
This this one.
What are you doing? Okay.
Just trying to steal his football.
What failed? Leah, I think your finger's in the screen.
Sorry. Shake it now. Just shake it a load.
What, without the lid?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, no, not without the lid.
Yes, without the lid. Everyone move.
Got another bit.
It's not going to work anymore, guys.
Put the lid on and shake it.
No!
Guys, it was my money, seriously. And it's not going to work. See?
That's lame.
No, it wasn't.
I didn't get any on you. And it's actually right for almost knocking Aiden's football down.
Yummy.
Ew, Ashley!
Ashley, seriously, do not eat that.
Fine. Been on the ground and everything. Hey, the colour's gone.
The what?
The colour of the blue lips is gone.
Yeah.
Little.
So, I'm not a little bug, I'm just looking at her. Ashley, don't eat them.
Oh, Ashley!
Oh, that's so minging.
Seriously,
Oh,
right?
that's why you're eating it.
Would you like to hold it now?
Can I step on this piece of paper?
If you want.
Yum.
Not really.
Are you recording?
Ashley, I've been recording for the past 7 minutes.
Oh.
They're the people that tried to steal my brother's ball. What? Gay balls.
See,